Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So today we are going to continue discussing our turtle module. Already we have discussed two parts on that. So if you have not watched that video, I suggest you to go and watch that and come here. Links are in the description box. Okay, fine. Let's start our session today. So in this program at starting, yes, we have imported that turtle class and screen class from the turtle module, and we have created two objects, that is toy for the turtle class and as well as screen for the screen class. So normally our Python turtle graphics window, by default its background color is white, right? Actually we can change that into our desirable colors, okay? So for that you have to take hold of that screen object and you have to call bgcolor of method, and you have to pass in the desired color into this. So here I have given yellow for that, and as well as you can set the title for your Python turtle graphics window as your choice. So you have to get hold of that screen object and you have to call title of method, and inside that method you have to pass your desired title. So here I have given my designs of, okay, yes, and here the last line, it is screen.mainloop of. So what does this method does here in sense? Once it is called, it just ensures the graphics window remains open and responsive after the drawing commands have been executed by our turtle friend. Okay, so it is like it just indefinitely waits for the user to manually close the window. Okay, unlike exit on click method, where a single click on any part of the window can trigger the exit and it automatically closes the window. Whereas using main loop of method, yes, our window will be available like for us to interact with that, like a resizing, closing, or even a triggering events in case if we are going to use something like that, or we have already defined some things in our programs regarding that, then this main loop of method comes very useful. Let's try and see the output. See, yes, our window is completely, yes, it is in yellow color. That's so beautiful, right? Yes, and that is our toy friend, means our turtle friend, right? Then, yes, the window title, it is already set to my designs. So it has already done its work. And you can just check this, like you can just click on any part of this window, but then it won't get closed unless you close it by going to that close option. Okay, so yes. So now we have seen bg color of and title of and main loop of method. So these are the methods from screen class. Okay. Now let's see some methods from our turtle class as well. This week we can just let our turtle friend play with colors. Okay. So yes, the first method that we're going to see is pen color of method. So using this method, we can just get a pen like turtle to draw shapes or edges or whatever it is using any of the color that we wish. Okay, so for that you have to get hold of that turtle object. So here it is toy, so toy dot pen color of, and we have to pass in the color. So here I have given red. Okay, and I have asked the toy to move forward 100 steps. Okay, on seeing the output you can clearly understand that is that turtle is now drawing using a red pen. Okay, so yes. So now we are just going to draw a small star, okay? So 5-pointed star. So I have used a for loop here, and inside that for loop we are asking the turtle to move forward 100 steps, then take a right turn with an angle, yes, 144. So when this happens 5 times, yes, we'll get our beautiful star, okay? So let's see the output. See, we got a beautiful star, right? So we can just hide our turtle because we just want to see how our design looks like after that completion. Okay, so let's just hide our turtle. So what we have to do, yes, we have to call hide turtle of method. We have already discussed this in our last video. Yes, let's see. So after calling that method, what happens? Yes, our turtle would vanish after completion of that design. Yes. So now what we have is only our beautiful star. So now how about filling some colors into our beautiful star? Yes, let's do that. So for that you have to use the fill color of method from our turtle class. Okay. So our turtle object toy. So we have to use that toy dot fill color of, and inside that method you have to pass in the color that you wish to fill inside the shapes. Okay. Now you have to use another two methods to complete our this execution, okay, of filling the colors inside our shapes. So it is nothing but begin fill of method and end fill of method. So begin fill of method, it is nothing but it marks the beginning of the shape to be filled with that specified fill color, okay, as if it is beginning that filling process. Fine. And end fill of method is nothing but it marks the end of a shape that is to be filled with that specified color. So the area inside the shape is filled with a specified fill color. Okay. Yes. Always remember this thing, the shape which needs to be filled with colors, it has to be always enclosed within this begin fill off and end fill off method. If not, what happens? Your shape will not be filled with colors as you wish. Okay? Yes. Now on running, you can see, yes, our star with red edges and filled completely with a blue color, right? Yes. So how about drawing some intricate designs using the same star pattern, okay? So let's try that as well. So for that, in this program, I have used some nested for loops, okay, to achieve that intricate design. Okay, so let's see this program so that you can completely understand it. So starting as usual, yes, we are importing a turtle and screen class from the turtle module. Then we have created the object, that is screen and toy. And here again, once again, I changed that BG color to yellow and I have set the titles to my design, and then I chose the pen color as red. Okay, and then here I got a list named colors. Okay, it has some 6 to 7 colors because I want the design to be completely filled with colors. Okay, and then we are entering into our first for loop. So what happens here? Yes, it is just going to select the color from this colors list. Okay, so first our toy.fillcolor of method is being called, and the first color it is going to choose from that list is going to be red. So now the fill color is set to red. Fine. Yes. As you know, after setting the fill color, we have to call begin fill of method. So we have done that. And now we are entering into our second for loop. Okay. So what happens there? It is asking our turtle friend to take a right turn with a degree of 50. Okay, and then we are entering into the third for loop. It is nothing but, yes, that is the for loop where we are going to draw the star. Okay, after completing one star, what happens? Again, this go to this outer for loop. Okay, then what happens? Again, it takes another one right turn because the range I have given to 2, right? So then again it enters into this for loop and draw a star. Now our this 2 for loops have completed, right? So 2 stars are drawn, and what happens? Yes, it is completely filled with that red color. And then what happens? Again it goes back to this for loop. This is the outer for loop, right? And now what happens? The color changed to blue, and the same cycle follows till it reaches this yellow. Okay, and then what happens? Okay, so let's see. We get beautiful design with so much of colors, right? As if indicating there is a colorful year ahead waiting for you, right? It's New Year. So yes, I really wish you all a very, very happy New Year. May your life be filled with so much of colors. Okay, see. Regarding our output, this background is yellow and with so much of colors and intricate design, it looks so catchy, isn't it? And our title has also been changed to my design, so we got our desired output. So friends, that's it for the session today. I hope you really understand this, and I think I got a small assignment for you all. Yes, you have to just draw another intricate design using circle. Okay, so use circle of method. We have already discussed that. So use that, and as well I want that design to be in the same screen, okay, along with this design. So you have to use some other methods. We have already discussed that in part 2 of the video, I suppose. So that is your hint. Yes, you have to do it, and yes, it is really going to be so much fun. Okay, just play with it, and so yes, practice and have fun with programming and fall in love with it. Once again, a very, very happy new year, and yes, don't forget to like and share this video, and most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and fun-filled one. Bye-bye and take care.